Hello guys, welcome to our channel Speaking Books. This video is a part of our Sunday special segment. We all know the President of India, the ceremonial head of states of India and the Commander-in-Chief of our Indian Armed Forces, as such our late former President Shri Pranab Mukherjee. In this video, we would pay an ode to such a prodigious President of our Republic of India. Pranab Mukherjee was born on 11 December 1935 and served as the 13th President of India. In a political career spanning over 5 decades, Pranab Mukherjee was a senior leader in Indian National Congress and occupied several ministerial portfolios in the Government of India. From serving as a clerk in his younger days to serving as the President of India, Pranab Mukherjee is one of the stalwarts of Indian politics whose political career has spanned for over 5 decades. He is a man known for his phenomenal memory and strong number crunching skills. He was honored with Padma Vibhushan, the second highest civilian award, in 2008. Mr. Mukherjee was also a Bharat Ratna awardee, the highest civilian award for the year 2019. Speaking of his foreign honors, he was honored with Grand Cross of National Order of the Ivory in 2016 and Grand Collar of the Order of Makarios III in 2017 at Cyprus. And also, in 1984, he was recognized as the best finance minister in the world by Euro Magazine survey. He had written many books. To mention a few, they were Beyond Survival, Emerging Dimensions of Indian Economy, Off the Track, A Few Comments on Current Affairs, Challenges Before the Nation, The Saga of Struggle and Sacrifice, The Congress and the Making of Indian Nation, Thoughts and Reflection, The Turbulent Years, The Coalition Years. He used to say that no problems are ever resolved by violence, it only aggravates the pain and the hurt on every side. He believed that India is content with itself and driven by the will to sit on the high table of prosperity. Trickle-down theories do not address the legitimate aspirations of the poor. We must lift those at the bottom so that poverty is released from dictionary of modern India. The nation pays esteemed gratitude to our late former President, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. It was an inclination to have you as our President, sir. May your soul rest in peace. With this note, we conclude our video today. Hope you like it. Please keep liking and sharing our videos. Thank you.